Hello everyone, I'm Anisha Mohan. I'm a speech language pathologist working at Sampark E-Polyclinic Pune. 22nd October is celebrated as Stuttering Awareness Day all over the world. On this occasion, I would like to introduce with some patients of Sampark who have stuttering and who are at different stages of recovery. They'll be telling you their experiences and they'll be sharing you how they have improved their speech.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shobhit Shukla, and as part of the International Stuttering Awareness Day on 22nd October, I and Sampark have created this slideshow in order to educate everyone about what stuttering is, what are its causes, and what are the possible solutions, if any. So, beginning with the slide, I'll first explain what stuttering is. So, stuttering basically is a speech disorder where there can be disruptions in normal fluency and the flow of speech gets affected. So the way you speak, the words coming out of your mouth are affected due to stuttering. So the common causes for such disruptions are genetics, language development, neurophysiological causes, and there are emotions and environment. So for me, it was emotions and environment. There was this one instance where I was up on stage in school trying to give a speech or some elocution thing, and I stuttered by mistake, and then everyone laughed at me in a certain way, which got engraved in my heart. And from then on, I personally think that it was so deeply engraved in my heart that it caused me to stutter further in life. So these are the causes for stuttering. Then these are the ways how stuttering can sound like. So blocks, hesitations, interjections, repetitions, revisions, and prolongations. For me personally, it was blocks and revisions. So blocks are where you get stuck on a particular word and you try to say that word, but you just cannot say that word. Your tongue gets stuck at a certain level or at a certain place where it does not move even if you try to move it. So for me, that was the main cause, and revisions is where you find synonyms or replacements of that word which you are getting stuck on. So whichever word I used to get blocked upon, I used to revise that word. For example, if I went and asked the sabzi wala to give me half a kg of carrot. However, because I would know that I would get stuck on carrot, I would say give me half a kg of gajar instead of carrots. So that is what revision is. Moving on, there is obviously treatment for stuttering. These are the treatments for stuttering as seen on the screen. For me, the treatment was modified airflow, metronome pacing of speech, prolongation, and delayed auditory feedback. So these were the techniques which have worked for me. However, there are many other techniques which may work for you or your loved ones. And obviously, there are different techniques for different cases of stuttering. So finally, I would just like to share my story as to why this slide or this slideshow is very important for everyone. Is because uh, it's not only about stopping stuttering; it's about the education behind it. Like even though I was lucky enough to have parents who cared enough to cure my stuttering, even they were not educated enough, or even I, who was going through stuttering, was not educated enough about what stuttering is and if it can be cured or not. So I'm pretty sure that everyone I see around, not many people are enough educated about what stuttering is. And when I came to Sampark, I had mild stuttering, and as you can hear me now, I almost did not stutter in the whole presentation. So I personally think if I can do it, then any kid out there or anyone can do it. And that's why I encourage everyone to just start by educating yourself and to get to know what stuttering is and how it can be cured, and everything else can be done in further in time. So yeah, that was it. Thank you, everyone.
There was one ghost. He was just sleeping, not studying. not playing. He was just sleeping, not wake up at all.
Okay.
Then one boy come to his house.
Okay.
Then
Hmm.
found his brother. He found him.
Okay.
Then he has one knife in his hand.
Who is having knife in his hand?
Oh boy.
Oh boy, okay. Oh.
Killed him.
Oh, he killed the ghost with the knife? Oh.
Hi everyone, my name is Yashpreet Singh and I'm an IT engineer. So, on the occasion of World Stuttering Day, I would like to also tell you that I'm a stutterer and I have stammering issues since my childhood. This issue is mainly there whenever I meet new people or whenever I have a lot to say and whenever I'm excited. So, words usually don't come out and I get blockage or I feel shortage of breath. So recently I had actually thought of giving IELTS. There's a module of speaking in IELTS. So for speaking, I actually consulted a speech therapist. There I came to know about Sampark Clinic. With Sampark, we have actually completed 8 sessions for now. And during the sessions, we have actually practiced and learned various kinds of methods like airflow method and the basic methods of prolongation and metronome, which have helped me a lot for gaining confidence that I can speak properly and control my pace. So, my message to all the people who are facing the issues of stammering and speech issues is that there is a way around, and you should actually consult a speech therapist, which will be helpful for you, and then you can achieve your life goals and dreams easily. Thank you.
So I hope all their experiences have motivated all the stutterers here. And one message that I have to pass to all the non-stutterers is that it is not only the perceptions or attitudes of stutterers that matters. You being a part of society, your attitude towards stuttering, your perception towards stuttering also matters. Thank you and happy International Stuttering Awareness Day.